Hey, it's Chad Lubin, Cross Country Mortgage. I hope you're having a great start to your week. I hope your home search is going well. Wanted to talk about a new program we have. It's called our lock and shop. You can lock in an interest rate for 90 days on a conventional loan. That means your loan amount is $647,200 or under, and you can lock it in for 90 days. So you don't have to worry about rates continuing to run up and you not knowing what they're going to be. You can secure it for an $899 deposit. Please call us about it, 312-731-4939. Also, we believe that there's a potential recession coming. Most people freeze when they hear that word and think indecisiveness or not doing anything is the right thing to do. I actually think that's the wrong thing to do. So I shot a video that I'll put below on how home prices have gone up. 11 out of the last 12 recessions, and 12 out of the last 12 recessions, interest rates have went down. So recessions are good for rates going down. They are not good for home prices going down. So I will show you some trends and graphs that date back to 1960. So over 60 years of data show that that's not going to be the case. Watch my video below. Lastly, I want to give you a quick interest rate update. This is a good sign right here. So if you look at this downtrend that we've seen, let me get my pencil here. This has been the downtrend of mortgage bonds trading, if you follow my line, right? You can see that we are starting to peak our heads above this line. That would be a great sign for lower mortgage rates, and meaning this has been the highs. Okay. As of right now, we got to be cautious because there's been some head fakes above that, and the market has pulled back. So we're starting to see some decreases to interest rates this week. We're hoping that this trend continues. Misinformation in the media. Please don't listen to them. They are not experts. They're talking heads. They take small pieces of reports and just focus on that and don't talk about the other information in the report. So I'm listening to Diana Olick again today. She's my least favorite person in the media because she blasts the housing industry. Yes, the new home start and new applications for housing came in 8% less than it had the month before. But what she didn't talk about is there was an 8%, like 7.5% revision to the following month. So that number from February was twice as large as they thought it was once they collected all the data. So these reports come out in their estimates, and then the following month they kind of true up the numbers and say this was the actual number, right? So she didn't talk about that. She didn't talk how much better the number was in February and how that will likely continue in March. So you got to take these talking heads with a grain of salt. You got to look back at past history. Watch my video below of how home prices are affected in recessions and how interest rates are affected. If you want to know more information about this, come to our home buying seminars. We do them one Monday every month. Our next one's May 30th. You get $250 towards your closing costs. If you bring a friend, you get $350 towards your closing costs. We would love the opportunity to run any numbers for you on a property that you have interest in. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. You can always call us 312-731-4939. You can always text that same number and we have someone manning it that can get an answer to your question. You can always email us, chad@thelubingroup.com. Make it a great week.